welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you haven't been here before. Today I will be doing a fully furnished house tour. I was gonna wait until everything was perfect, but I've noticed when you try to do a house tour, nothing's gonna be exactly how you want it to be. I currently live on Nellis Air Force Base here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We've been here for about 4 months. Like I said, everything's not perfect exactly where we want it to be because we do have a newborn, but I wanted to give you guys a tour because I know when I was moving here, I only found like 1 or 2 videos from years ago. So the house that we live in is the 2-bedroom, 1 bath. We are here on base on the main side. There are 2 sides, there's a hospital side and the main side. We live on the main side. Without further ado, here's our house. All right, so this is the outside of the house. For respect of our neighbors, I'm not gonna record too much out here. So there's the screen door. Every house comes with one. And then you enter the door here. This is the main entryway. All right, and oh, there's my husband. Hey. To the right, there's a coat closet. There we'll just store our winter coats, and my husband will store his OCPs and stuff like that. All right, so when you swing around to the left and you kind of walk a little ways, you'll run into the living room, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so the living room is super cozy. I mean, in other words, small, but the design of the house is it's a little funky. So we just make do with, what we have, but we put our bigger sectional there, and then to the right, our love seat, and it fits perfectly. We have a little table over there, entertainment center, and our Christmas tree, of course. Okay, so there's the front door, and then if you go to the left, there's the living room. If you keep going left, you enter the kitchen. Straight through is the garage door. To the left is going to be the pantry. It's a very nice sized pantry. We have a lot of things. It's not organized yet, but that's okay. All right, so that door, it enters into the garage from inside of the house, but I'll show you later. This is the kitchen. So guys, I actually love this kitchen. I think the size is awesome. And actually the 3-bedroom has a smaller kitchen just because of the layout of the house. So if you have a 2-bedroom, you get a bigger kitchen. Oh my gosh. I mean, you only get a 2-bedroom, but you get a bigger kitchen. So tit for tat. So there's our fridge. And then we have a lot of counter space in this kitchen, and we have a lot of cabinets. So if you have a lot of stuff, you'll be good. All of the houses do come with a dishwasher that works extremely well, so we're really happy about that. There is a window in the kitchen, which brings in a ton of light, and I love that. There's the bar area, which looks into the dining room. We don't use the bar except for like decorations and candles to make it look all cute and stuff, so yeah. So here's the laundry room. It's literally right off the kitchen. I really like the placement, and this room, you guys, is huge. The video does not do it justice because we have a lot of crap in here, but like I said, we had just moved in and then I gave birth, so we didn't have a lot of time to kind of organize this room, and we kind of just store everything in here until we can go through it, which is fine. Life happens. The house does not come with a washer and dryer, just an FYI. To the left is another entrance to the garage, and we will go in there now. This is a 1-car garage. We love the size, but it's just me, my husband, and our baby, so lots of storage for us. We do not store our car in here because we don't need to. We have 2-car spots out front, but yeah, this is what the garage looks like. There is built-in storage, which is awesome. Really love that. And yeah, this is what it looks like from the back side. Let's go back inside through the other door near the pantry. So here's the kitchen like we went through, and so you're not turned around. There's the front door on the right and the living room, obviously. All right, moving on, we have the dining area. So there's the front door. The dining area is literally across from the front door, so you just walk straight into it. There's our dog's crate. We kind of keep it in here for now because she likes looking out the back door. Hi, Blue. So to occupy the space, we just put a big wood table. It's super tall with very tall chairs because we're a tall family. There's a water dispenser. And if you walk across the dining room, you'll go to the backyard. So here's our backyard. Our grass needs to be mowed. Don't come for me. It's very, very spacious. I'm not sure if the camera is doing it justice, but it's a huge backyard. We rent a fence from a company called Arnold's Fencing, which that sucks, right? But whatever. So you're not required to rent a fence or even buy one, but we do obviously because we have a husky and we want to make sure she's safe back there because she totally hangs out there all day. She loves being outside because of the nice weather here. I love our little palm tree in our backyard, and there's a nice covered area. All right, so coming back into the house, here we are. There's the kitchen, if you can remember, just from, I guess, a different viewpoint. Let's take you back to the front so we can explore the other side of the house. Front door. So if you were walking in the house directly to the right, here we go. There's our little linen closet. Not much to see there, but it's a very convenient closet. Straight through, we have the bathroom. So this, oh, there's me. Hi. This house, remember, is 2-bedroom, 1 bath. We've never lived in a house with 1 bathroom, so oh my gosh, it's a struggle, but we are just grateful to have a place to call home. So yeah, small bathroom, but there's a very nice window, guys, so we get nice lighting while you're handling your business. Okay, so to the left now is the master bedroom. We have absolutely nothing in this room yet. We are just trying to survive being new parents to a baby, so it's a good sized room, not too big, but not too small. This is just the viewpoint from when you're entering. We have a king bed in here for your own knowledge, and ceiling fans are in both rooms, which is great because it gets so hot here in the summer. Huge closet. Oh, amazing if you have a lot of clothes like me, and my husband has granted me the whole closet, you know, minus like just a few inches for his work clothes. So the sizes of the 2 rooms are just slightly different. This one is a bit bigger, and we know that because this room has a bigger closet. We couldn't give you a number like how much bigger, but I'm sure you could look it up. So yeah, not too much going on in this room because we haven't decorated it yet. Right across from the master bedroom is the other bedroom. Here we go. Here's the second bedroom. We're using it obviously as my daughter's nursery, but she doesn't occupy the space yet because she sleeps with mama. Let me just close the closet so you can get a full look. It is half the size of the master bedroom's closet. So as you guys are taking a final look, I'm just gonna give you guys an outro because I forgot to record one. So thank you guys for viewing my 2-bedroom, 1-bath house here at Nellis Air Force Base on Main Side. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up this video, and comment what you guys want to see next. Bye!